guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how to organize your closet to look kind of like a boutique. So the key to organizing your closet to look like a boutique is to do everything in the front that is more in like the neutral color section. And what you want to do is you want to not categorize all your clothes, like all the shirts and all the pants together. You want to kind of mix them where you can make outfits with each other in the same color scheme. So as you can see, I have like blazers and shirts along with like purses and shoes that would match all in the same section. So that's kind of how you make it look boutique-y. And then if you scoot one over, it's the same thing on this side. It's kind of like the colors, but then I have skirts, I have pants that you can mix, but it looks all boutique and uniform. So my closet hack for today is, everyone knows what these are. These are pool noodles. You use them to stay afloat in the pool, and so you can get them at the dollar store. It's where I got them from. They come long, and I cut them. So if you look down here at the boots, most of the time boots are seen like this, and they're flat and floppy, and they just don't look totally organized. But my hack to make them look pretty and stand up is to cut them. And you simply cut them, insert the pool noodle like this, and then put them back on the shelf like so. And then they're all organized and standing up straight, and your closet looks fabulous, and it looks like you have a fabulous boutique in your closet. Also, another use for the noodles, as well as in the boots like we showed to keep them straight, is you can put them in your handbags like so, and this way it keeps it like kind of plopped up on the shelf and all visual, so you do not have to, you know, be digging or anything like that, like in a drawer, to see what your purses look like because they're lined up. And so you just simply cut the noodle in there, and it keeps it propped up, and it's simple and organized and looks like a fabulous boutique. And that's Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.